Everybody feeling it? The other night, I went to see Sam's play, doing the things that he wanted to. It was very physical and it held her to the stage, doing the things that we want to. The guy is a cowboy from some rodeo, doing the things that he wants to. The girl who once loved him and now she wants to go, yeah, she's doing the things that she wants to. She's doing the things that she wants to. The man was bullish, the woman was a tease, doing the things that they want to. They fought with their words, their bodies and their deeds, doing the things that they want to. Doing the things that they want to. And when they finished, they exited the stage, they were doing the things that they want to. And I was firmly struck by the way that they behaved, yeah, doing the things that they want to. Doing the things that they want to. Yeah, it reminds me of the movies Marty made about New York, yeah, doing the things that they want to. Those frank and brutal movies that were so brilliant, yeah, doing the things that they want to. True love, meet the raging bull, yeah, doing the things that they want to. They're very inspirational, I love the things they do, yeah, doing the things that they want to. Doing the things that they want to. Yeah, there's not much you hear on the radio today, the things that they want to. But you can still see a movie or a play, doing the things that they want to. Yeah, here's to Travis Bickle and here's to Johnny Bullock, going out in the streets of New York, yeah, they're doing the things that they want to. Doing the things that they want to. Yeah, I wrote this song because I want to shake your hand. We're doing the things that we want to. In a way, you guys, the best friends I ever had. Doing the things that we want to. Doing the things that we want to. Yeah, we're doing the things that we want to. Doing the things that we want to. Yeah, I'm doing the things that I want to.